Have you ever felt a shock while touching a metal rod? Or heard a crackle sound while taking off your sweater? And lightning during thunderstorms? All are due to electrostatics. So what is electrostatics? Electrostatics is the study of electric charges at rest. Where does the charge comes from? All matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms contains protons, that is positive charge, electrons, that is negative charge, neutrons, that is neutral, no charge. Usually, an object has equal numbers of protons and electrons, so it's electrically neutral. Let's take an example of a glass rod rubbed with silk cloth. Electrons which are negatively charged are loosely bound in the glass compared to silk. So, some electrons move from the glass rod to the silk cloth. The glass rod loses electrons and it becomes positively charged. The silk cloth gains electrons and it becomes negatively charged. One object gains electrons and becomes negatively charged. Other object loses electrons and becomes positively charged. This separation of charge creates static electricity. When two glass rods rubbed with silk cloth, brought together, they repel each other. Because like charges repel and unlike charges attract. Let's look at a simple example of static electricity, something you have probably tried yourself. When you use a plastic comb to brush your dry hair, something invisible but interesting happens. As the comb rubs through your hair, electrons get transferred from the hair to the comb. This causes the comb to gain extra electrons, making it negatively charged. Your hair, having lost electrons, becomes positively charged. Now, if you bring that comb close to tiny pieces of paper, you'll see them jump and stick to the comb. That's because opposite charges attract. You touch a metal object and feel a quick shock. Why it happens? Your body collects static charge, maybe from shoes rubbing on carpet or rubbing your hands to the seat. So when you touch a metal conductor, the built-up electrons quickly jump to neutralize the charge, creating a miniature spark you feel as a shock. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.